Let me share with you reasons why your wash hours keep reducing. Now, a lot of YouTubers, especially new YouTubers, keep wondering why their wash hour keep reducing day by day. Now, there are so many reasons why your wash hour might be reducing, and I'll just share some with you. So, first of all, when you go to your YouTube studio, maybe you want to check for your wash hour, the place that you need to check is not that front page where they write in the last 28 days. That's the mistake that a lot of YouTubers are making, because I was also guilty of that. I had to reach out to somebody then, and the person explained better. Now, that is not where you are supposed to check that last 28 days. You might check today to be 805. You get tomorrow, it might be 716. It will just be going down, coming up. You think that, oh, you are not doing enough, your watch hour is reducing. See, the right place for you to check is that place where they wrote N. I will just put it on the screen so you will see what I'm saying. You click on that N, that dollar sign there, that dollar icon. Let me put it that way. Click on it and then just swipe down. You'll see your watch hour. You see everything. I hope you get. So that is where you are supposed to be checking whenever you want to check the progress of your watch hour. I hope you understand. So that is that for that. Second reason why your watch hour keep reducing is your videos are already over 1 year. You get, your videos are already over 1 year. The way YouTube calculate watch hour is this: they actually want you to get monetized in 1 year. So if peradventure you don't get monetized in that particular year, like in 365 days, they're not going to touch your channel, they're not going to bring down your channel or anything. The only thing they will do is this: they will start reducing the watch hours. And it's not like they will just say today I want to remove 50, tomorrow 100. No. Today is what? Okay, let's say for example, today is 1st of January 2024. So in 1st of January 2025, they expect you to be monetized to like that. But if you're not yet monetized, what they will now do? That very first video, that video that you posted on the 1st of January 2024, they will go to that video and start checking the watch hour you got on the 1st. They will remove it. When the date is now 2nd of January 2025, they will still go to your channel and check for 2024 1st of 2nd of January. Then they will clear the watch hour. That's how they keep doing it until you are able to monetize your channel. I hope you understand. So they calculate watch hour based on the last 365 days. Many people are not aware of it. That is another reason why people lose watch hours. So in case you are losing watch hours already, go and check your videos. If you already have videos that are over 1 year, 2 years, that's why you are losing watch hours. They are actually reducing it. So that is not to say that if somebody now watch your video that you posted 1 year ago, 2 years ago, the watch hour is still going to count. It's still going to count. See, I just hope you understand this thing I'm explaining. It's still going to count. The watch hours they are removing is the one you got over 1 year, 2 years ago. You get, that is what they are doing. Now, another reason why your watch hours keep reducing, this one has also happened to me, is the kind of videos you post. Yes, there was a time when I was doing this live stream. I would just put a picture like a puzzle, something like that. I can say search for how many words can you find, write it on the comment section like that. I will just ask a question, brain test question, all those things, you get, and people will be answering on a live stream. So that I do it for 2 hours, 3 hours. There was one I did, I got 15 hours from that live stream, 15 hours, and my watch hour was increasing. Only for me to check the next day, everything cleared. They cleared all the watch hour I got from those live stream I did. So I started asking questions. I started finding out the reason. That was when I found out that those watch hours, YouTube does not really count it anymore. That was what I found out too. If your own is counting, let me know in the comment section, because some people are saying their own is counting. But my own, they added it and then they removed it. Yes, that was what happened. So you might be losing watch hours. Go and check. Maybe that particular video you posted is against their policy. So they might just decide to clear it, to clear all the watch hours. It happens. It has happened to me. I'm even planning now to remove all those videos from my channel, like just to clear it, remove all the videos. Because my watch hour was really increasing, only for it to just go down again. I was like, what? You get? So that is that for that. So we all know that getting watch hour is very, very difficult. It is not easy. It's not easy. Getting watch hour is very difficult. So try your best. Try as much as possible to protect it. You get that watch hour that you have, try as much as possible. Don't post anything that will make YouTube to start deleting your videos. Don't worry, that one is a story for another day. I will also do a video on that. This deleting of videos. YouTube, they can just go to somebody's channel and delete many videos just because the videos does not meet their community guidelines. A lot is happening on this platform, and that is the more reason why you need to be watchful. Shine your eyes, go through their policy, know what you are doing so that you will not fall victim. It's actually very, very painful. You get. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have any question, you can do it to ask on the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.